Hey, we just finished our olive harvest. A lot of help from daughter over the back there, and Liam and his family trying to pick them all. We didn't do too badly out of our 2 small trees. So what we have is, let me see if I can swap this around. So what we have is, these are our big olives. You can see that's quite large buckets. So, and we also have our little calamatas, which, there we go. But to give you an idea, the size difference, there we go. So these fellas are really nice. Not sure how many kilos, I'll weigh them later on. Okay, so we washed the olives and separated the black ones from the green ones. The next bit's really exciting, and that's where we need to put a little cut in them, like that, to speed the curing process up. This also gives you another chance to examine, hello Rufus, dog doesn't like olives but he's there. It gives us a chance to examine for any flaws that we might have. So there's a couple of things that stop me from using them. First one is if we can get a close-up of that. It's all dried and wrinkly and not very nice, so that's in the bin. Where we've lost most of the olive to birds, that's in the compost. That one too. But quite often we'll find that there's just a small mark on it like that. And because these are big olives, I'll just slice that mark out like that, and he goes in the bucket to be cured. So we've got over 20 kilos of these to cut. So fun evening just doing that. Okay, so we've got one lot in nice clear fermenter. This will be able to show us the progress. We'll start pulling the other ones out of the curing buckets that are in out the back in the next day or two, probably 2 days, and see how they're progressing. But I expect the large ones will take somewhere around 8 weeks. Stay tuned, I'll be doing some updates later on as the olives cure right through to tasting, which is the good bit. Bye bye for now.